So what I just talked about is the foundation, the BankNXT core. And now what I'm going to show you is something that lies above that core. And also tell you the meaning behind why we designed it, what it means for your customers, and what it means for you, your business. So we've been on this journey of digital adoption together. What we have done is we've changed the way people use mobile banking, changed the way people transact digitally. We've changed the way how people does payments, and we've done a lot of things to achieve this milestone of digital adoption. But adoption itself is not transformation. We think that transformation happens when technology changes how people behave, how teams operate, and how revenue compounds. Everything that Sonadai just talked about and the thing that we have built does exactly that. It helps to transform your customers, your teams, and your revenue. So, moving forward, as Sonadai has already explained about the core that powers this transformation, on top of that core is smart products. So as you can see, there are many products. Here, there are some for the customers, and we also have not left you out, so there are some for the banks as well. But today, I'm just going to talk about 6 of them. 3 of them, that is going to explain how it transforms how your customers behaves and interacts with you, and the other 3 is going to explain how it is going to transform how your teams function in the back end. So let me go to the first product, Personal Finance Manager. So what's been happening early on the Hiri, your customers are managing the finances, but they're doing it on reverse. By that, what I mean is the customer sits when he or she is free, they open their mobile banking app, and then they scroll through their statements, and all they see is different transaction that has happened, the statements, the history, and balance. And the issue here is, when they see a problem, it's already too late. The transaction has already occurred. So we thought, what can we do to flip it? And the answer was Personal Finance Manager. So what this smart product does is that it not only shows what has happened and when, it also shows what's coming and how to be better prepared for it. How? 3 ways. First, forward-looking forecasts. So by the spending trajectory that your customer does, it already forecasts the upcoming payments as well as things that they need to be careful about so that the end of the month balance is maintained. Second is intelligent nudges. Just in case your customer is about to overspend or under budget on certain things, this smart product, what it does, it gives them nudges within the app or through FCM or through various mediums. So once they receive it, they'll be like, okay, I was spending aligati kam garnu paryo hai. And third thing is adaptive saving goals. All of us have different saving patterns, saving styles. Some of us would like to save 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, and there are other people who would like to save 5,000, 10,000 garde recurring fixed deposit garde. So understanding the customer's behavior, what it does is it suggests flexipod garne ho ki, save as you pay garne ho ki, goal-based deposit garne ho ki. So it intelligently does that. So that is Personal Finance Manager. Second, and one of the most interesting product that I like is KidSpace. So one question that we should be asking is, where are your customers in 2046 coming from? Most of the times what happens is we wait for them to turn 18, then join the job market, then start earning money, and then they start looking out for banks, and then they join in. But by then, it's already too late, because now you're competing against other banks, other institutions, against interest rates, savings products, and whatever. That is why KidSpace, what it does is it helps to onboard them way before they turn 18. So it is a supervised financial experience that is designed for children, but again, it's parent control, but the experience is done by the child itself through an app. It's like opening a kid's account, but now they have an app to interact with it. So now what you can do is, you can assign your kids some household chores. So, as you can see, Ayushma Vanni, Sanu Batsali, if she cleans her room in the morning, then she gets rewarded for it, 50 rupees. So pocket money बिस्तारै build गर्दै now भाटबटिनमा or कतै जाँदाखेरि ड्याडी मलाई यो किन्दिनु न भन्दाखेरि she can smartly say okay, I've already saved for it, let me do that. So that is the beauty of this product, and this builds the habit of financial literacy as well. And त्यो financially literate संसार बनाउनलाई, त्यो digitally responsible, financially responsible space बनाउनलाई चाहिँ your bank will be providing them the tools to do so. And also, it helps in customer lifetime acquisition because now you're acquiring them way before they turn 18. So that's an added benefit as well. And the third smart product that we have is loyalty. So, your customer is just one transaction away from switching into a different bank. And this happens because मेरो अर्को बैंक अकाउन्टमा भएको पैसा एउटा डिफरेन्ट बैंक अकाउन्टमा राख्न धेरै पैसा पर्दै भयो. It's like zero, okay? I can do it instantly. And then we thought, how can we fix it? And the answer was loyalty rewards. So what it does is, based on the behavior that your customer does, you start rewarding your customers, not just on the transactions. So that means, कसैले savings account खोल्यो, they get rewarded. कसैले fixed deposit खोल्यो, कसैले credit card लियो, they get rewarded for it. And then, बिस्तारै, what they can do is they can increase their tier. So if I am a bronze member, I turn into a gold member and then platinum. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ me as a customer, it gives me a sense of stickiness. Okay? It's very hard for me to then go into a different bank and then start all over it again. And then, बिस्तारै, it also helps you recognize the most loyal customers. And the beauty of this is, it also helps you cross-sell and upsell your product. Which means, if I have a debit card, you can now, based on my behavior, based on my loyalty, you can then sell me a credit card that benefits me as a customer. Or even offer me products that complements me. So these were the smart products on the customer side. Now, let's move towards the operational efficiency. That means some things for your teams in the backend. First one, omni-channel onboarding. I'm not sure कतिजनालाई यो भाषा छैन, but there are different documentations गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ नि त when you go to the bank and then open an account or take any services. And while doing that, if you forget a document, what happens? म घर जानुपर्छ अनि ब्रान्च नजिकै छ भने म त्यही बेला I do it, or else I postpone it for another day. But omni-channel onboarding, what it does is, you can start your journey from anywhere and end it anywhere. That means you can apply for you can open an account or apply for a service from a mobile banking app, and then you can also, if necessary, you can visit the bank and then complete it through a web-based platform as well. And this is not in any order. You can do it from any device, any channels, but the point is, whatever you start, you can end it from anywhere, anytime. That's the power of omni onboarding. Now, the second product that we have is AI KYC Analyzer. So, video KYC can be a bottleneck for you. This can be a bottleneck for you, and we've decided to solve this before it even arises. So, video KYC गर्दाखेरि, there are different steps. With this AI video KYC analyzer, what you can do is, banks can simply, through this product, they can upload a video, and then within seconds, everything gets transcripted, and then they can see everything from the risk to the compliance, to the issues, to the question that was asked instantly. This platform understands everything. So whatever the conversation that has happened between the agent and the person, it's there. And then this also sees what the humans have missed. So if there is any issue, like customer's full name was not fully captured, customer's date of birth was not captured, it flags that as well. And the third thing is it reads between the lines. So fraud detection, everything is there. And then if there's any compliance-related flags, risk level, it's right there, so that you don't miss anything. And that's KYC, AI KYC Video Analyzer. It helps in smarter verification and faster approval. And last, but not the least, it's Customer 360. So I'm sure, so whenever a customer calls a bank, what's in front of them is their phone number, their account number, and a list of statements or transactions that they have done. And then the customer has to explain certain things, and then you'll have to switch windows to understand what their problem is. This Customer 360 smart product, it solves it instantly. So what it does is it gives you a single window view of everything. So whatever has happened in the banks, कतिवटा phone pay credit card issue भयो, कतिवटा phone loan गयो यो 7 दिनमा, कतिवटा mobile banking usersहरू activate भयोदेखि लिएर सबै कुरा एउटै single विन्डोमा हजुरहरूले पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. And this is not just for the banks, but like the name suggests, customer 360. एउटा कस्टमरको 360 भ्यू पनि उसले चाहिँ दिन्छ. सो प्रिया शर्मा भन्ने कस्टमर हुन्छ भने उहाँ कस्तो कस्टमर हुन्छ त? प्रिभिलेज कस्टमर हो कि कस्तो रिस्क छ, कतिवटा ट्रान्जेक्सन गर्नुभयोदेखि लिएर उहाँ भर्चुअल क्रेडिट कार्ड, फोन पे भर्चुअल क्रेडिट कार्ड होल्डर पनि हुँदो रहेछदेखि लिएर सबै कुरा, एभ्री प्रोडक्ट्स एन्ड सर्भिसेस द्याट सी हेज अनबोर्डेड इन, इट्स राइट देयर. एभ्री इन्फर्मेसन इन वान सिङ्गल विन्डो. अनि while this is a tool, you can use this tool to cross-sell and upsell as well. So if a customer support my phone आयो भने उसको issue सबै solve भएपछि that you can take that moment to educate her with other interesting products that can help her. So cross-selling, upselling, and everything you can do with this smart product that is Customer 360. It gives you clarity and a bigger picture, and it prepares you for what's next. So that was the third product that I shared with you out of the many products that we have. So we have BankNXT Core that's powering everything. We have smart products. And now, as you can already see, we have something more, something really exciting that's on the third layer, that is the Cortex. And to talk about that, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Abhishek Maske. Over to you, Dai.